Hi everyone and welcome. So today we will be discussing about how to add Shopify store to Google My Business. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So there are going to be two methods that you are going to do is first of all you can use your API keys. So if I simply head over to the search bar on top and head over to apps, so you can search for any app, or you can head over to your settings and generate an API for a connection, and you can simply develop your own apps and then integrate your key with Google Maps. And you can also head over to Google My Business. Then there you need to register there and incorporate your business in there manually if you want to do that. So simply sign into your account, and once you do that you will be able to list your business in there. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.